So today we will start some previous year questions in JEE Mains. So first of all, start with this one. Take a minute and attempt it. The foot of perpendicular from the point 438 on this line is 357. Then the shortest distance between the line L1 and the another line they have given to you. Got the question? So basically what you have to do, you have to find the equation of line L1 thoroughly. To get that equation, you want the values of A, L and B. So once you got A, L, B, you will get the equation of line. Got it? And then use the shortest distance formula between two skew lines and solve the lines. Got it? So now quickly solve it. Give it a try. Madhukar, any idea? So whatever you got, just mark your answer in this poll section. Yes, please. 1, 2, 3, 4 as A, B, C, D, whatever you got, mark it here. Bombay. Anybody else? Quickly, quickly. Madhukar, can you switch on your mic? Somebody got C answer. Very good. Anybody else? Well, let's do. Understand thoroughly how to attempt this question. See, this is a line given to you. Just a moment. See, this is a line given to you. Now this line is x minus a upon L is y minus 2 upon 3 is z minus b by 4. Now there is a point 4, 3, 8 and from this line foot of altitude on this another line will be 3, 5, 7. Got it? From 4, 3, 8 foot of altitude on the another line is 3, 5, 7. Now see, what are the direction ratios of this line? Direction ratio will be x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So it will be 1 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 3 minus 5, 8 minus 7. Now one condition is 1 minus 2, 1 and L, 3, 4. They are perpendicular. So if they are perpendicular, their dot product is 0. So it will be L minus 6 plus 4 equals to 0. So we got the value of L as 2. Am I correct? First condition you got. Now 3, 5, 7 is lying on this line. That means 3 minus a by 2 is 5 minus 2 by 3 is z. Z is 7 minus b upon 4. Got it? Now if I consider these two, what do I get? 3 minus A is equals to 2. So A came 1. Another thing is 7 minus B equals to 4 if I consider these two. So value of B is 3. So with all this information, you got the equation of L1 as x minus 1 by 2, L is 2, is equals to y minus 3 upon 3 is equals to z minus, y minus 2. Z minus B is 3 upon 4. This is L1. Now L2 is what? L2 is already given to you, x minus 2 by 3 is y minus 4 by 4 is z minus 5 upon 5. Got it? Now you need to find the shortest distance between these two lines. So to get the shortest distance, first of all, what do you require? You require a vector which is normal to both of them. That can be obtained using this. I cap, j cap, k cap. First line is along 2, 3, 4. Another line is along 3, 4, 5. So this will be with I cap. This is 15 minus 16 minus 1. With minus j cap, it is 10 minus 12 minus 2. With k cap, but you get 8 minus 9 minus 1. So it is minus I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Got it? On the first line, there is a point A, that is 1, 2, 3. Then there is a point B, that is 2, 4, 5. So what is AB vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Am I correct? Now what do you want? Shortest distance will be projection of AB. Shortest distance is what? AB on, let's call it vector n. On vector n. So that is AB dot n upon magnitude of n. So what will be AB dot n? It is minus 1 plus 4 minus 2 upon magnitude of n will be root 6. So it is 1 upon root 6. 1 upon under root of 6. This is your answer. Am I correct? So this is your answer, 1 upon root 6. Take a look, absorb it. Very good question, very simple also. Got it? Yeah, anybody having any doubt in any particular step, tell me in the chat box. Bhagat, got it? Well, very good. Now let's go. Next question is this one. Equation of the plane which contains y-axis and passes through the point 1, 2, 3. Yes. Think over it. Tell me the correct answer quickly. equation of the plane which contains the y-axis and passes through the point 1, 2, 3. Whatever you got, mark your answer in this MCQ poll. Yes, quickly. Yes, yes, quick, quick. See, equation of the plane which contains y-axis. That means there is a vector in the plane whose direction ratios are I cap, sorry, 0 I cap plus j cap plus 0 k cap. And that line is passing through origin. So there is also a point known to you in the plane, that is 0, 0, 0. Okay. So anyways, nobody participated. Let's see. You are trying to find out the equation of this plane. Yes. Now, this plane contains y-axis. That means this line, y-axis is in the plane. That means there is a point 0, 0, 0 in the plane, you know. There is a point 1, 2, 3 given to me. Got it? And there is a vector in the plane which is j cap. If this is A, this is B, what is B a vector? That is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Am I correct? Now, I told you, first of all, my priority is that this plane should be having a normal. We should know the normal. So normal will be what? Normal will be BA cross J cap. So that is I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap cross J cap. So that is determinant I cap, J cap, K cap 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0. So it will be with I cap, you got minus 3. With minus j cap, you got 0. And with plus k cap, you got 1. Correct? So that is minus 3 I cap plus k cap. Got it? Now, so this is the normal of the plane. So if I know the normal of the plane, equation of the plane will be like minus 3x plus z equals to d. And to get this d, make the plane pass through either 0, 0, 0 or 1, 2, 3, whatever you feel like. So let us make it pass through 1, 2, 3. So you got lambda as minus 3 plus 0 plus 3, that is 0. So equation of required plane is minus 3x plus z equals to 0. So 3x minus z equals to 0. That's it. 3x minus z equals to 0. Got it? Have a look. Very simple question came. Fine. Now let's try another one. So what they're asking you, the distance of point 119 from the point of intersection of line this and the plane this. So what do you want? You have to find the point of intersection of this line and this plane and then find its distance. The point you got, find the distance of that point from 119. Got it? Try it quickly. And this is very easy. Quickly try. To get the point of intersection of line and plane, what you have to do, take a parametric point on the line in terms of lambda. Like if I assume it equals to lambda, it will be lambda plus 3, 2 lambda plus 4, 2 lambda plus 5. Put that point in the given plane and get the value of lambda. You get the lambda, you get the point. Quickly try, mark your answer in this poll. Yes, please. Mark your answer quickly. Very good. Somebody marked B. Others also contribute. Quickly. The distance of point 119 from the point of intersection of the line and the plane. All right, see, I'll do. This is enough time I provided you. See, first of all, what you have to do, say this is the plane and say this is the line. Now this plane and line, they are intersecting somewhere here. Got it? So let this point be on the line as lambda plus 3, 2 lambda plus 4, 2 lambda plus 5. Yes or no? Lambda plus 3, 2 lambda plus 4, 2 lambda plus 5. Now it is given to me as x plus y plus z equals to 17. Put the values of x, y, z here. So it is lambda plus 3 plus 2 lambda plus 4 plus 2 lambda plus 5 equals to 17. Correct? So it will be 5 lambda equals to 5. 17 minus 5 and 4, 9, 9 and 3, 12. So lambda we got as 1. Clear? So once you got the values of lambda, so point is what? Lambda plus 3, 4, 2 lambda plus 4, 6, and 2 lambda plus 5, 7. Now you apply the distance formula and get the distance between this point and 119. Another point is 119. So distance between these two is under root 4 minus 1, 3 square, 9, 25, and 9 minus 7. So it is 25 and 9, 34 and 4, 38. 38 is your correct answer. Got it? Root 38 even. Fine. And very simple question. One of the easiest question ever asked in any competitive exams. Very easy. Directly get the point of intersection and then get the distance. All right. Okay, try this one. If the equation of plane passing through mirror image of this point with respect to this line, then alpha is this. Then alpha, beta, gamma is what? Just quickly. Just give it a try. I'll be back in a moment. Quickly try. Yes, students. Sorry, I had to go for washroom. Yes. Have you tried it? Okay, just for a minute, if you have tried it, mark your answer in this poll. Otherwise, I'll discuss. Just quickly mark your answer in this poll if you have done it. Equation of the plane. Okay, nobody has done it actually. The question is, equation of the plane passing through the mirror image of a point with respect to this line and containing this line. So first of all, what do you require? You require the mirror image of this point in this line. All right. So say this is the line, that is x plus 1 upon 2 is y minus 3 upon 1 is z plus 2 upon minus 1. This is the line and this is the point 2, 3, 1. You are trying to find the mirror image of this point in this line. See, from this chapter, you cannot expect short questions. Questions are going to be lengthy, undoubtedly. Yes, one thing you can do that if any question come from this chapter, it won't be beyond your reach. Questions are going to be pretty easy. Simple questions are going to be here. So now, first of all, let us assume this is P, image is P dash. Let us assume this point Q as 2 lambda minus 1, lambda plus 3 minus lambda minus 2. Got it? 2 lambda minus 1, lambda plus 3 minus lambda minus 2. Got it? Minus lambda minus 2. Now, write PQ vector. That is 2 lambda minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, comma lambda, comma minus lambda minus 3. Now, this PQ vector is perpendicular to the line. Got it? That means PQ dot 2I cap plus j cap minus k cap is going to be 0. So that means twice of 2 lambda minus 3 plus lambda minus of minus lambda minus 3 is going to be 0. So it is 4 lambda plus lambda is going to be minus 6 plus 3 to going to be minus 3. So lambda became minus 3 by 6, that is minus 1 upon 2. Got it? So lambda is going to be minus 1 upon 2. So with this lambda, you got this point Q as minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 even, minus 2, lambda plus 3. So 3 minus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2 and minus lambda minus 2. So minus lambda minus 2 is going to be minus 2 plus 1 by 2 minus of 3 by 2. Got it? This point is already known to you P, that is 2, 3, 1. So this image point P dash is going to be what? Say, if P dash is ABC, so midpoint of P and P dash is this. That means A plus 2 upon 2 is minus 2. B plus 3 upon 2 is 5 by 2. And C plus 1 upon 2 is minus of 3 by 2. So your A became minus 6, B became 2, and C became minus 4. So the mirror image is minus 6 to minus 4. All right. So the mirror image is minus 6 to minus 4. Am I correct? Now you require to find the equation of a plane. That plane is containing point minus 6 to minus 4 and containing a line which is passing through 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, and along a vector 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Take care of one thing here. You have to write it y minus 1 upon 2 upon minus 2. Y minus 1 upon minus 2. Got it? So now, first of all, I want the normal of the plane. Normal of the plane will be what? I cap, j cap, k cap. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. And 2 minus 6, 2 minus minus 6, 8. Minus 1 and 3. So this is what? With I cap, it is minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. With minus j cap, it is 9 minus 1, 9 minus 8, 1. And with k cap, it is minus 3 plus 16. So it will be 30. Am I correct? So it is minus 5 I cap minus j cap plus 13 k cap. So plane will be minus 5x minus y is equals to some d. Now this plane is passing through 2, 1, minus 1. So make it through. This plane is passing through, so it is minus 5x minus y plus 13z equals to minus 10 minus 1 minus 13. So it will be 5x plus y minus 13z equals to 24. They are asking you plane is alpha x beta y gamma z equals to 24. So alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z equals to 24. That means alpha is 5, beta is 1, gamma is minus 13. Got it? Now they are asking you for the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is 5 plus 1 minus 13. So it is minus 7. Is there any option? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. What mistake have I done? X plus 1 upon 2, y minus 3 upon 1, z plus 2 upon minus 1. First of all, we are looking for mirror image. With k cap, it is minus 3 plus 13. Just a minute. I have to check with the calculation. So everything sounds great. Minus 6 to minus 4. One minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1. 2 plus 6, 8 minus 1, 3. So with I cap, it is minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. With minus j cap, it is 9 minus 8, 1. With k cap, it is minus 3 plus 16, 13. I think I have done everything correct. Any student got any other thing? Do you guys see any mistake here that I have done? Vedant? Vedant? Anybody? Because as far I see, okay, do one thing. You try the next question. I'll look into it. You try this one. Equation of the line through the point this and perpendicular to this line. Quickly. Very easy question. Just give it a try. minus 1, lambda plus 3 minus lambda minus 2, 2 lambda minus 3, lambda minus 3, dot product with 2, 1 minus 1. So twice of 2 lambda minus 3 plus lambda minus of minus lambda minus 3. 4 lambda plus lambda is minus 6 plus minus 3. So lambda came minus 1 by 2. Image is minus 1 by 2. Minus 2, 5 by 2, and this is minus 3 by 2. A plus 2 by 2 is minus 2 to minus 6. I think I have done everything correct. Okay, you guys check it later on because everything I have done is correct, I think. Well, now, try this one. Anybody? Now see, equation of the line through point this and perpendicular to this line. See, first of all, this is exactly like the previous question. Now this is the line. Okay, this line is along 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 2 k cap, direction ratios of the line. Now there is a point 0, 1, 2. Let us assume there is a point on this line. Point on this line in terms of lambda can be 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 1, minus 2 lambda plus 1. So if it is P, it is Q, then PQ vector will be what? 2 lambda plus 1 I cap, 3 lambda minus 2 j cap, minus 2 lambda minus 1 k cap. Yes or no? And then this PQ is perpendicular to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 2 k cap. So take their dot product as 0. So twice of 2 lambda plus 1 plus thrice of 3 lambda minus 2 minus 2 times minus 2 lambda minus 1 is going to be 0. So 4 and 4, 8 and 9. So 17 lambda is going to be minus 2 plus 6 minus 2. So it is 2. So lambda is going to be 2 upon 70. Am I correct? Now, when this lambda is 2 by 17, you got this point Q. So Q will be what? 4 by 17 plus 1, 6 upon 17 minus 2, and a minus 4 by 17 minus 1. So this Q is going to be 21 by 17 minus 28 by 17 and minus of 21 upon 17. So this is what? This is point Q. They are asking for the equation of PQ. So now equation of PQ you can identify. If you have 2 points, PQ you can figure out. Yes or no? Got it? Now, try this one. A plane passing through the point this and parallel to line this. 2x equals to 3y equals to z equals to 1, comma z equals to 1. Yes, quickly. Now see, first of all, understand how this is a line. 2x equals to 3y and z equals to 1. This is basically the point of line of intersection of these two planes. One is 2x equal to 3y, other is z equal to 1. So in the form of a line, I can write it x upon 2, x upon 3 is y upon 2 is z minus 1 upon 0. Got it? You can write it this way. Now you have to find the equation of a plane which is containing this line. Containing this line means parallel to this line or containing this line, like having a vector 3i cap plus 2j cap and also having 2 points. One is 1 to 1, other is 2 1 2. So if it is A, it is B. So you have AB vector as I cap minus j cap plus k cap. And another say, let's call it P vector. So they have P vector as 3i cap plus 2j cap. Got it? So first of all, to find the normal of the plane, it will be I cap, j cap, k cap, 1 minus 1, 1, 3, 2, 0. So with I cap, you have minus 2. With j cap, you have 3. And with k cap, you have 5. So it is minus 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. So plane can be like minus 2x plus 3y plus 5z equals to something. Now it is passing through 1 to 1. So if you make it pass through 1 to 1, it will be minus 2 plus 6 plus 5 equals to d. So d goes 11 minus 2, 9. So equation of plane is minus 2x plus 3y plus 5z equals to 9. Am I clear? Minus 2x plus 3y plus 5z equals to 9. This is your plane you are looking for. Now options are passing through which of the following points. You just make it pass through the point and get your answer. Got it? All right, everybody. So in the next lecture on Friday, we will practice some questions mixed with vectors and 3D. Am I clear? So that would be all from me for today. Practice more as much as you can. This is a high scoring topic with very less variety of problems. Am I clear? Now, before I end this class, just a small feedback.